So I'm currently taking a break from my art room, cleaning up room, and I am watching a Remy vlog. Oh, she's so gorgeous. I just love her vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna watch her vlog, and Dan and Zaza are down in the shed doing a workout, and I have a tea and I'm chilling, and Nora's in bed because she was very tired. She came up to me and she's like, tired. I'm like, okay, it's time for bed. So she's in bed giving her Bullseye a little cuddle, which is really cute. But yeah, that's my update for today, which is, yeah. Anyway, remember that pimple I had here? It literally is just like a rough sort of red. I don't know what it's doing. It was really weird. Like, it didn't actually turn into anything. It's just there. So that's what that is. Anyway, so I saw someone on Instagram who also does resin jewelry and uses flowers, and she had them all, like, I have everything just scattered, but I know what's in what sort of boxes. But she had them all set out in divided tubs. So I've got 2 big divided tubs, I've got 2 medium and then 1 little. And I thought, well, maybe I should do that, because in that way it'd be so much easier to find, so much easier to know what flowers I have in stock and what ones I don't. And it will just make my life totally so much easier than literally sorting through tubs that look like this. Like, there is so much happening, and I just have tubs and tubs of mess. And mess, talking about mess. Yeah, kind of thought of doing that, but it's hard because the kids are always everywhere. But I was gonna start with this last piece of fluffy wattle and divide it into here. Cows in the backyard, and they are noisy shits. So we have 1 tub out of 8 filled. Well, not even filled, partially depthed. Okay, so I sorted as much as I could yesterday, which, oh, come on. Okay, it's locked on there apparently. So, in this tub, I'm going to put a whole lot of wattle. So, Dan's got heaps of wattle in his car that's going to fill these up hugely. So I just got like the main ones that I had, and that'll be full. And then in the next big one, I've got a whole thingo of blue hydrangeas in their buds, but they kind of look a bit weird in there. There's a better photograph about the blue one. There's a better blue one. So yeah, it's full of hydrangeas and their buds. This one will be full of lavender, but I haven't picked any because I've been slack, but it's a whole lot of mums. This is like a wild looking lavender. I don't know, but it looks cool in the resin. Smaller, or some smaller, mostly small little rosebuds, and then the bigger rosebuds, which just look super cute. And then I was going to put the rose petals in there, but I hadn't got to that one yet because they were just everywhere. And then in here, okay, yeah, we'll put you down for a second because that's not going to open. Oh my god, okay, there we go. So in here, we've got the red bottle brush, purple bottle brush pieces that are hanging on for dear life, red gum flower, orange gum flower, and I got a whole lot in another tub that I didn't get to. In here, I don't 100% know, but they're like little mini flowers of some sort. These I don't know either, but they're the ones that were purple before you pick them and they go blue. Fuchsias, tansies, a weird yellow flower, purple little mini flowers, and then feijoa flowers, the feijoa fruit. And in here, if I can open this one with one hand, that'd be good. I'm going to fill this with lichen. This one's just like a bunch of orange flowers. these cute blue flowers. I can't remember what they're called, but my grandma has them in her garden. Kangaroo paw flowers. Little flowers that actually were bright orange before I picked them, and then they dried either orange or red. A whole lot of purple flowers, a whole lot of more like purple and pink flowers. In here are cornflowers, and a whole bunch of like mini blue flowers, and then buttercups and yellow flowers. So that's my process that I've done yesterday. So yeah, most of the main ones, and then the ones I got left is in here are just like mushrooms and mushrooms. Yellow flowers, wood and lichen, and then there's the crepe myrtle and the other orange gunflowers, and then in this one was where all the rose petals were. So I've made progress. So yes, filling that with all the wattle later. I had 2 for in these ones, but I can't remember what they were. And then another 2 pockets for 2 other ones when I find them, because I swear that I have others. And this is my bunch of, I have no idea what is in them. So if I just do, oh, there's a rose, but I got heaps of those. Yeah, so if I just do like a whole bunch of stuff in something, I'll just grab it out of here. Future me vlogging, because I realised I didn't end vlogging. I didn't end this video. And I probably should have, because Daniel ended up getting all the wattles, so I've got a whole bunch hanging up here. I've got a whole bunch on the table, and then I ended up filling, or mostly filling, the tub full-ish, mostly full, with the rest of the wattle. So yeah, it's good, it's good. So that was
cool.
So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful if you also have to sort out, there is a blurry spot on my camera, children. If you also have dried flowers and a business with dried flowers that needs sorting out and you just couldn't figure it out, this seems to be working. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more, because I have vlogs and I have stuff about my resin jewelry and resin creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!